Bitcoin is forecasted to drop 2% by February 24, according to Traders Union. First, here's what the recent market picture looks like. As we speak, Bitcoin is down 2.6% on the day and trades close to $66,320.50. Here's today's set of expert forecasts. Traders Union projects the price may weaken to $65,029.93 by tomorrow. That's a decrease of 2%. 30 Rates anticipates Bitcoin may drop towards $65,549. An estimated loss of 1.2%. Coin price forecast highlights the potential to reach $66,498, a rise of approximately 0.3%. Another prediction by Digital Coin Price indicates Bitcoin may move up to $66,796.77, about 0.7% above current levels. And in closing, Gov Capital Collector points to $67,978.34 by February 24, which is 2.5% higher than now. This forecast carries the strongest return potential of all. Those are the predictions. Let's shift to what's next. The predictions are in. Here's how each might perform. Taking all projections into consideration, the likely price movement is between a drop of 2% and a gain of 2.5%, depending on the analyst. So it turns out Gov Capital Collector will deliver the highest return with 2.5% increase in value by February 24. To sum it up, you could receive between $3 and $25 for every $1,000 you invest. Using volatility as the basis, Coin Price Forecast's forecast shows the strongest probability at 93.2%. Taking all the forecasts together, I've mapped out a consensus outlook. The consensus outcome points to Bitcoin being valued at roughly $66,370.41. Alright, let's dig in. The consensus expectation is for an increase of 0.1%. To summarize clearly, your capital might also go up by around 0.1% if the trend follows through. With $1,000 at stake, the outcome might suggest around $1 in return. And looking at the odds, this consensus scenario for Bitcoin holds a probability close to 93.8%. For the short term, let's see what analysts predict across the 3-day period. Traders Union suggests Bitcoin could slide further. 30 Rates describes the market as neutral, with only marginal moves anticipated. The direction called out by Coin Price Forecast is toward higher levels. A flat outcome is projected by Digital Coin Price, with the market moving without strong conviction. A stable outlook is similarly projected by Gov Capital Collector, suggesting no major drivers for movement. According to the consensus, Bitcoin is expected to show little overall movement during this horizon. Looking across the different forecasts, 60% of analysts anticipate growth, pointing to a stronger outlook for Bitcoin. 2 days ago, 5 predictions were published. Here's how they turned out. As a result, the end of day value came to $67,640.50. 3 out of 5 analysts ended up on the right side of the move. If we rank forecasts by precision, Traders Union takes first place. Let's put all the pieces in place. Only one forecast aligned with yesterday's candle. As far as ROI is concerned, several analysts delivered profits, led by crypto predictions at 0.8%. And now, see how all forecasts performed side by side. In the data, Traders Union shows 94% forecast probability and 0.4% ROI. Look carefully and spot who stayed closest to the real move. Here's how analysts expect the different cryptocurrencies to perform tomorrow compared to Bitcoin. At the top of the forecast ranking stands AVE with 1.2%, while Bitcoin ranks lower. This is just a preview with 5 cryptocurrencies, and the extended comparison of potential returns among many assets will also be added to my website and Telegram shortly. Before we move on, make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoy seeing all these forecasts side by side. Catch you in the next forecast summary.